a mercury thermometer factory which was set up in Kodaikanal was closed down in 2001. And the Hindustan Unilever factory later admitted that more than 20 tons of mercury may have been lost to the environment because they did not clean up after they closed down the factory, of which 1.3 tons were discharged into the forest. Mercury is very poisonous, and residents who are living around that area have complained of high sickness rates, mortality and kidney related ailments. There is a fear that the lake in Kodaikanal will get is getting contaminated, and more than that, children born in that area are affected. And because the forests are contaminated, when there has rains, the mercury, there's a fear of mercury flowing into the Vaigai River, and it will affect people who live down the Vaigai River, and agriculture and everything can get contaminated. So the factory is insisting on a cleanup of 20 mg of mercury per kilogram of soil. But the international standards are around 1. And the Canadian standards are around 6.6 mg. And we've heard that the government is allowing that 20 mg of mercury cleanup per kilogram of soil is okay. This is not a safe standard at all. There is a lot of fear among environmentalists and the residents of that area that if this is a thorough, a clear process is not done, there's a lot of fear that it will affect the future generations and the entire area. So until now, there's not been much clarity on the procedures of recommendation for contaminated sites. But in January 2016, the Central Pollution Control Board has published a report titled Guidelines for Implementing Liabilities for the Environmental Damages Due to Handling and Disposal of Hazardous Waste and Penalty. This has to be followed. And the guidelines require a levying of penalty amount also. Why has this not been levied on the Unilever company? Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Very important point. Yeah, agreed. Shri Mahendra Singh Mehra. Mahendra Singh Mehra, it's an important point. I know it's very poisonous. The point is very important. Government should take note of it.